Hi everyone, welcome back to eLearning with Eggy. My name is Evan Bartlick. Today I'm going to show you how Eggplant can monitor real user journeys and automatically import those into your automation framework.
Here I have a model representing all user journeys on the e-commerce website we are testing, and I can very quickly create a directed test case by clicking the actions I'd like to test. Now, I'm creating this test case based on what I think users are going to do on my website, but what journeys are users actually taking? Through Eggplant's real customer insights, we can add to this by tracking real user journeys and import them into the model, so we are testing exactly what users are actually doing. Here I have only one directed test case, which is the one I created by clicking through the model. If we go to our real customer insights page, I can import a tag which has been tracking real user journeys on the site. Now you can see all of my imported user journeys categorized by most common as well as highest value. The highest value test cases are those that directly lead to opportunity for revenue, such as checking out an item. I have 20 total user journeys, so let's select all of them and create our test cases. Then, if I navigate back to my test cases page, you can see all of those user journeys automatically imported.
Thanks for watching. I hope that tip was a swish. A swish.